Communist Party of India gi humfutara mangarak suba foundation day gamari leinana protect the territorial integrity of Manipur haiba hiramda ngasi hotel Imphal gi sangai holda thauram ama pangthokre thauram aduga mari leinana athauba hizam irabot ki photo da leisu katna ikai khumnabo utkhi thauram aduga mari leinana CPI gi General Secretary D Rajana hai Manipur da thokliba irang asi BJP na luchingba double engine gi lengak asi fail oibadagini BJP na polarization gi politics sanabadagi tha ahum helaklaba fauba irang asi election bangamdabani miyamna khangatuna mihut oina thagat khiba chief minister ama leina Manipur da assembly kauduna hauzik thokleba irang asi matangda khana bangamdriba karigino assembly kauduna phamba ngamdrabadi chief minister na kari moral right leiduna pham asi konduna leiribano haina hangkhe hauzik leiriba chief minister asi mathau pangthokpa ngamdre irang asi loishinaba thabak amata pakhatpa ngamdre hainasu phongdokhe.
What is happening in Manipur is nothing but the failure of the double-engine government led by BJP. It is the result of the politics of polarization, politics of divide and rule pursued by BJP. This continues. 3 months are over, but no solution yet, no substantial initiative from the government here at union level. So it is failure of BJP government, we should understand. As long as BJP remains to power in Manipur or at national level, Manipur's problem will not have a meaningful solution. Let us be very clear. Mr. Modi, the Prime Minister, goes on making tall claims, but the reality is something else. Modi is Prime Minister the past 9 years. Now he has been asking people to give him power for the 3rd term. If he comes to power for 3rd term, he says India will emerge as the 3rd largest economy in the world.